Today I'm shooting video in Smirna Church, baptism, and a lot of people come into this place. I'm recording video, my wife shooting photo, and her team shooting photo too. I want to create really good video for Smirna Church this year. This is not first time when I do this. First clip what I create in United States, I create with Smirna Church when I come to this country, and I'm so excited. You know, for me it's like tradition. You know, every single year I'm shooting video, I try to create really good and nice video for people because this is really important thing. I'm so excited to be here every single year, so we will see what I can create this year. I believe it can be a really good video for my friends, and I'm so excited.
This is my setup for today. I'm shooting video with a Canon R5 and 24 by 105 millimeter lens F4 Wheeltrux monitor, and I'm also connect Insta360 just because I want to try to create behind the scenes video how I'm working today. So yeah, I can show you the process right now, and after that I can show you the final result. So guys, this is a huge event and I'm so excited shooting video here. 3 years how I shooting video here for Smirna Church in this event, and I'm so excited to do something important for these people, you know. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Maybe you see me last time if you see this video first time.